If you're trying to make your life easier in the kitchen, you are in the right place because cooking shouldn't feel overwhelming. It should feel like something you should actually enjoy. And on today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make meatballs in red sauce. Simple, easy, and full of flavor. And we're gonna do this recipe in two parts. First, the meat and all the ingredients we mixed. And then after the meatballs are already done, we're gonna go and do our red sauce. Okay, let's put this recipe together. And now I'm crying.
I'm officially crying.
Now I'm gonna start adding the breadcrumbs. And what the breadcrumbs does, it helps keeps the meatballs soft and tender. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the Parmigiano-Reggiano. And I love Parmigiano-Reggiano, and I like to put a lot of it because I like how it adds saltiness, richness, and that deep savory flavor that makes homemade meatballs extra amazing. 1 egg, and this is gonna help bind everything together. Now mix everything really well. I'm using my hands. My hands are very clean. So just mix everything really, really well. And you want everything fully combined, but don't overmix it too much. Otherwise, the meatballs are gonna become tough. So just enough. Just making sure that everything is really well blended. So let's go ahead and put some salt to taste. And look how many meatballs I did with 1 kilo of ground meat. And it took me less than 5 minutes to do it. So easy. This recipe is very helpful, especially for the rest of the week. You don't want to start cooking or anything. Just leave it in the fridge, in the sauce, warm it up when you want, and that's it. So easy. And now we're gonna start doing the second part of the recipe. Let's go. Add olive oil over medium-high heat. And now I'm going to start adding the meatballs to the pan, allowing them to cook and brown evenly on the outside first. Now I'm going to start to turn them over from side to side, making sure they're all nice and golden. Now it's time to take them out of the pan and set them aside. The meatballs release the juices, and I'm going to use that to cook the onions, and this will add a lot of flavor to the whole dish. I'm adding the tomato puree and I'm mixing it well so everything combines evenly. And I'm also adding a bit of water to loosen the sauce and make it smoother. I'm adding some salt to taste, Italian seasoning, and I'm gonna mix this really, really well. And at this point, I'm adding the meatballs back into the sauce, and I'm gonna let them simmer over low heat. Our meatballs are ready. They were cooking for about an hour, and you can see how nice they look. We're gonna plate these meatballs. And this is looking amazing. There is something special about meatballs cooking slowly in red sauce that feels timeless. Are we ready to try these meatballs? Let's go. Amazing. So good, so tasty. This red sauce is heaven. And if you like this recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. See you on the next episode.